We've arrived in beautiful Cuba. We're in Havana today, the sun's out and the mojitos are cold.
We're about to start an 8-day tour around the country. Today we're in Vinales. There's some beautiful countryside here.
It's also famous for its cigars. We're in a tobacco drying house right now on a small farm. We're going to go check out how they're rolled.
It smells really nice. It doesn't smell like cigarettes, which is all that I could relate it to.
We're left Vinales, so we're on our way to Cienfuegos, and we've stopped off for a little dip in the beautiful Caribbean waters.
Last night we stayed in the oceanfront town of Cienfuegos.
The architecture is amazing, it's an absolutely gorgeous place. We're going to go up to the palace now and have some mojitos on the rooftop. This is our second day in Trinidad. We've been exploring the local area. We went out to a nightclub last night, which was in a cave, which was awesome.
Today we went out to a waterfall in a rainforest, and we'll be sitting this afternoon at Playa Rincon Beach.
We're doing the classic car tour. We've just gone out to Peninsula in this 1958, 57? 58 Ford Thunderbird. It's an amazing car. Original engine, really smooth. Guys looked after a beautiful car.
Classic cars, coconuts and sunny days. Cuba. Havana's own Chrysler Redeemer. The locals say he's holding a mojito and ready for a cigar.